Welcome home to Castlewood Fields Ranch Homes, the lowest priced one-level living community in Washington County featuring a pool and clubhouse. Fall in love with a low-maintenance lifestyle and our high-end inclusions. Hi, I'm Rose, and I'm so excited to share all that this incredible community and area have to offer. Castlewood Fields is quietly and conveniently nestled in Nottingham Township. Though tucked away from the hustle and bustle, you're just minutes from Route 19 and I-79 for all of your daily conveniences, plus tons of great shopping and dining. In just a short 4-mile drive, you'll be at Bartram House Bakery, where you can enjoy a quick bite, but don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with one of their delectable desserts. Or visit Atria's, one of Pittsburgh's favorite local restaurants. It's the perfect spot for a nearby happy hour with friends. Need a grocery run? You can be at Aldi or Giant Eagle in Donaldson's Crossroads in 9 minutes or less. Spend a day doing some retail therapy at Tanger Outlets, just 15 minutes away. And if you love the outdoors, take your furry friends on a walk or pack up a chair and enjoy an outdoor concert at nearby Peterswood Park. Pittsburgh International Airport is less than 30 minutes away. You can finally book that vacation you've been dreaming about because Castlewood Fields is a low-maintenance community. That's right, lawn care and snow removal are included, so you can just lock and leave for your next adventure. Low-maintenance living frees up more of your time to do the things you love. Soak in some fun in the sun with your kids and grandkids at the community pool, followed by an evening around the fire pit. Make new friends while working out in the fitness center or with a round of shuffleboard. Embrace an easier lifestyle with your owner's bedroom and everything you need right on the main level. Even your garage and laundry room are conveniently located on the first floor. No more hauling hampers up and down stairs. The open floor plans are perfect for welcoming friends and family, so you can still host holiday gatherings. Sought-after details like granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, spacious islands, and more are included in every home. Downstairs, you'll have ample storage, even with the optional finished basement. Think about adding a bedroom to the lower level so that adult children or visiting guests have a space of their own. Castlewood Fields offers not just a beautiful new home, but a whole new lifestyle, one designed with you in mind. There is so much I want to share with you about this great community in Nottingham Township. Visit our website to take the next step. I can't wait to welcome you home to Castlewood Fields.